What if I told you there's an ancient secret that burns fat 24/7? This isn't another fad diet, it's the Mediterranean way, and science proves it works. Secret number 1, olive oil. This liquid gold actually boosts your metabolism. The healthy fats signal your body to burn more calories. Secret number 2, fish packed with omega-3s. These powerful fats literally melt belly fat. Just 2 servings a week can transform your body. Secret number 3, Mediterranean vegetables. Packed with fiber and fat-burning antioxidants. The fiber keeps you full while the antioxidants torch calories. But wait, there's more. 3 more secrets that will shock you. These ancient foods hold the key to effortless weight loss. The final secret isn't even about food. It's how Mediterranean people live, and it's the most powerful fat burner of all. 6 secrets that work together like magic, burning fat around the clock. The Mediterranean way isn't just a diet. Secret number 4, Mediterranean herbs and spices. These natural metabolism boosters are hiding in plain sight. Cinnamon alone can increase fat burning by 20%. Secret number 5, ancient whole grains. These aren't your typical carbs. They provide sustained energy that keeps your metabolism firing all day. Secret number 6, the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's not just what they eat, it's how they live. Less stress, more joy equals faster fat loss. Harvard studied 50,000 people for 20 years. Those following Mediterranean principles lost 30% more weight, plus reduced heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. Here's how all 6 secrets work together, creating a 24/7 fat-burning machine. Your body becomes a natural fat-burning furnace. You can start today with just 1 Mediterranean meal. Pick up olive oil, fresh fish, and colorful vegetables. Cook with love, eat with joy, and watch the fat melt away. I want to hear from you. Comment below. What's your favorite Mediterranean food? Hit that like button if this helped you discover something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mediterranean secrets. This is Diet Guru, helping you discover the secrets to natural weight loss. Until next time, eat well and live the Mediterranean way.